Here's a quick look at my chinchilla levels inside. They basically go long ways, and they meet up with the cage and then has a board on top of it, and then it's connected with the screws with the washers. And there's also variations of this. I have two where it's connected with wood underneath with screws and washers, and then that board sit on top of it. They either go long ways like that or forward, however you want it, as long as there's like a front or a side. Self-explanatory when you see that it's so easy to do it yourself instead of having somebody else do it. And also here's a cage protection for keeping stuff inside the cage so it doesn't fall out, and having a spot cut out for the water bottles, and in case for some of the doors you'd have to create like a notch so the door could swing back and forth. I have mine tight so it helps me close my doors whenever sometimes these weird cages have a really small slot to go back in the resting spot. So that's basically how my cages are set up for levels and some guards.